It finally came. Open it with this. My thing. Okay. I will be honest with you, I know it's already in here because I watched Crazy Texans video on this. But yeah. Okay, first will be 6-pack of 4-inch Kim lights. You know what's funny? I've always wanted this actually. The green. Strawberries branded. That is worth $9.99. The next, I was like, what? Jesus Christ, this is heavy inside. These are intense 10-pack tent stakes record for $15. I was like, what? But that's actually very helpful for me. So yeah. Let's just start the... Okay, so... Like it pile. Like it pile because it's useful. Next is a microfiber camp towel. Which, honestly, I like. Yeah. I think it's a blue. It's a microfiber camp towel. It's blue. We always see them. It's very helpful though. Honestly, that is for $14.99. Jesus Christ. Something that's always helpful to have. A 12-laser emergency tent tube for $12. This is actually very useful, so also like pile. Yeah. So let me do that. I should get this right here. Then last is the knife. Whitetail Legend Hunting Knife. It's a Ridge Runner knife. I'm gonna check it out too. But the way the knife I'm opening in my EDC always is watercolor. I want to see this. I want to see this move. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's pretty nice. I know it's probably. Oh, this is nice. Huh. Faux leather. It says Ridge Runner. Oh. That's that. What's the knife look like? Oh, nice. That fits my hand perfectly. Oh, that's nice. And it has a thing on. That means it's probably not 14. So that's actually pretty nice for a knife, actually. And it has a nice Ridge Runner. Pretty nice. Honestly, this box, after 5-6 days of waiting, yeah, I'm gonna give this, all of it is a like, honestly, so. Oh god, how do I do, oh Jesus. Oh wait, I know what's wrong. What? Oh, that's nice. That is a nice little knife. This is probably faux, but I think I've seen this before, actually. Wait, let me try the first if it's... Usually, this end is this way. So. Oh, I know what happened. I lost this stupid thing. It looks like a standard, like, decent duty sheath, so. let's just take it out of the thing. Oh, it's plastic, but my God, that is comfortable. Holy crap, that's comfortable. That is very comfortable. I'm gonna go. That is nice. Yeah, that is nice. I guess this month's theme was hunting. But yeah, I must say, I'm happy with all the items in this box. Which one is usually a decent looking nice? Anyway, I own the big Bowie from this, or Bowie, whatever you call it. Honestly, I could use these. Always use these. These are good to have. They have a Best Buy. Oh, see. This is always useful. I like this month's knife. Last month's knife was basically not pretty much a knife. But, oh, and I forgot. You get free paper with it. But yeah, I must say, all 5 items like pile. This is always useful. I mean, shoot. I'm gonna put this with the other one I have in my Tiger thing. So, definitely this. If you get sway, you can. So yeah, I'm gonna say, I'm impressed. Also, the summary of last month's box and well, for last month's box of SHTF, decent, I think, and always good with the what's it called? So yeah. Also, was also in the mailbox with the box magazine. I may actually go through this one time. So the value was at $68.95. I don't feel like that ripped off, to be honest. Okay, so I will say with last month, you know, it was decent. Yeah. Yeah. This month, definitely good. Definitely good. I don't feel like I got ripped off for like $20. Because honestly, yeah. So yeah, the summary of both boxes were I like both. The SHTF mystery box last month, or both subscriptions for last month I liked. This month I like too. Because I got a Arrowhead that I do not use but carry with me, so yeah. Honestly, worth the wait. Yeah, UPS decided to do a what's what they call it in here. I'm not gonna get this back in, but whatever. A forwarding service requested to USPS. Just because y'all didn't want you to do your job, it wasn't Java's fault. It was people. I knew it was people at the thing whose fault it was. But honestly, yeah. So yeah, if you want to see what's in the rest of the levels, Crazy Texan, I believe his YouTube name is. So yeah. Anyway, you got the summary of the subscriptions for last month. I liked and decent for this month. I like too. Yeah. Anyway, peace.